Begin with powering on the computer, and then push the F10 button just in time when the HP logo appears. There's two ways to do this. You can also repeatedly push the F10 button. It's easier that way. So here's the other way when I repeatedly push the F10 button. So basically when I push the F10 button repeatedly, the chance to hit the F10 button in the right time increases. So that's why it's a lot easier to do this way. Basically this is the same procedure, but instead of pushing the F10 button, you will push the escape button. So begin with powering on the computer and then push the escape button. And here you can just use the arrow keys and go down and choose BIOS setup and press enter. And here's the other method when I spam repeatedly the escape button instead of the F10 button. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please push the like button so I know that it helped you out. Otherwise, have a good day and enjoy your BIOS settings. Bye.